Okay, we're here at South Philly, so we want to come to the home of the Philly Cheesesteak where it all started, which is Pat's King of Steaks. As you know, I grew up in Philadelphia, so I grew up on Philly cheesesteaks. So I'm bringing my kids here to show them where it all started. It's only 11:45. I think I'm in the mood for a nice original Philly cheesesteak. So you see, Pat's King of Steaks is where it all started. So we're here looking at the menu, as you could see. And I'm gonna make the order. Hi there.
Can I help you?
Can I get a cheesesteak and another extra cheesesteak?
You want onions on it? So that's two, right?
Right. Everything on it.
Okay. 2 cheese with onions. $22. 2 cheese with.
So what does it mean, extra cheesesteak?
It's extra cheese.
Oh, it's extra cheese. Okay.
Cash only.
Cash only?
Yeah, cool.
Sorry, I didn't know. That's extra cheese. 22, dear. 20. What is the total?
22.
There you go. Alright. Now time to go and enjoy these bad boys. Okay, this is the Pat's cheesesteak with extra cheese in it. So it looks like any normal cheesesteak, but here they use Cheese Whiz. So Pat's original cheesesteak with Cheese Whiz, it was really good. I mean, it's something that I grew up on. It's different from the duplicates of other places with the cheesesteak. The key difference here is the Cheese Whiz, and I think the meat, also the quality is pretty good. So that's Pat's original cheesesteak. Okay, from Pat King's Cheesesteak, I'm gonna go right across the corner to Geno Steaks. So that's a competition, but supposed to be also one of the best cheesesteaks in Philly. Have fries by any chance with steak?
What was it?
Do you also have fries?
French fries?
Yeah.
Yeah, right at the other window.
Okay, I do want a cheesesteak.
What kind of cheese?
Can I get provolone?
Provolone and onions?
Yes, please.
Provolone. $11.
Okay, this is the Geno's cheesesteak, where they will give you 3 options, whereas Pat's you only get with Cheese Whiz. So 3 options in Geno's means you have the option of provolone cheese, Cheese Whiz, or American cheese for your cheesesteak. So here I took the provolone cheese, some fries, and with root beer drink to wash it all down. So this is a birch beer soda, so root beer. Okay, Geno's tasted with the provolone cheese tasted very different. Kind of like the ones you get from other stores where they sell cheesesteak throughout the country. But I think from authenticity and taste, I like Pat's better.